Hi everyone. All right, you already see it. You know what time it is. We are going to be doing our sinking funds for the month of April. We've got our money set out. We've got our envelopes. We don't have a lot of ones, but we're going to figure out how to make that work. It's going to be fine. And let's go ahead and get started. As you all know, if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Let me go grab. Here we go. Let me go grab my little tracker. And I'm already looking and I'm already a little like, how colorful. Let's see. We might actually start down here and see what we can get. So let's start here. Juneteenth, 4th of July gets $2. Do we have to? We do. Fantastic. Okay, let's see if we can get some ones maybe from here. Yes. Yes, okay. So it had 33. It should be at 35. So 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Fantastic. 35. Oh, I picked the wrong one. How annoying. Okay. Let me go get the other one because that's going to smear everywhere and I'm going to hate it. There we go. I was going to say, where's the right one? Okay. 35. And guess what, y'all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're taking these 5s. Yes, we are. We're taking this 5. Now we actually have a 5. Go us. And we're going to take a 10. 20, 30, 35. Yes, my master plan is already working. Okay, how's Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving probably does not have any ones because of how it is, but Thanksgiving gets 15, so 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. It gets 15, so 10. There goes my 5 that I worked so hard to get. Boo! Okay, but that's fine. It's fine. I'm going to convince myself that it is fine. So that's 105. Christmas is supposed to get 25. This is, I don't know. I don't know if this is actually helping me like I was telling myself it would help me in my head. I guess we're just going to switch this out again. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 105. No, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25. Perfect. It needs another 25, so a 20. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we're getting back. We're getting back because we're going to take these 2 back. Add that 10. We should be at 150. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. Perfect. 150. We got our 5 back. Okay, our next one is a 10. We do have a 5 for Valentine's, but I'm going to hold off on putting that one in there. Especially since I know I traded out my 5s for Valentine's. So let's put that 150. Oop. 0. Oop, 150. Okay, New Year's should have 55. Ooh, maybe there's some 5s. No, of course not. Okay. But it gets a 10. So there's 10. So it should be 65. 20, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. So we made that. And then we're going to hold off on putting that 10 in there. We're going to wait. We're going to save some of these ones. 65. Because we're going to need them. I anticipate. I do not know, but I anticipate we're going to need them. Anniversary is supposed to get 3. It has some 5s. So we're going to take, I'm running out of 10s. I need to stop taking all these 10s. But we're going to take these 5s. And we are going to put 3. So 1, 2, 3. Y'all, I might have to figure out where I can go find some ones, because, woo, this is rough, y'all. Okay, so we did that one. 13. Woo, okay, 13. Mom's speed day is supposed to get, let me see. Oh, maybe we can straight out some of these 5s and make that work. Okay, so Mom's speed day is supposed to have 6. She's supposed to get 3. That should equal 9. So I think we just have to, ooh, we don't even have that. Oh my goodness. And it's the same for so many of them. Let me see. 28, 28. Let's see how it's going in, not Dad's B-Day, because this will be the same. Let's see my sister's. Let's see how she's doing. Ooh, 1s. Yes. Okay. She's supposed to get 3 as well. So that would be 28. Yes. So I'm going to bring back 2 and take a 5. Praise him. So 25, 26, 27, 28. So that's, yes, 28. Woo! We're cutting it close, y'all. We are cutting it close. Okay, so sisters is done with 28. Oopsie. Okay, well, let's do Mom and Dad's B-Day first day. Let's see what that one's looking like. What is this? Oh, that's my mom's birthday. Mother and Father's Day, I meant. Let's see what that one's looking like. Yes, yes, yes. 1s. Okay, perfect. Ooh, and it 10s. Some 10s. I'm going to trade those up. I'm going to grab this 20. Alright, so they're supposed to have 25. They have 25. They're supposed to also get 3 and do 28. So we're going to do 2. Ooh, we might just be able to make it, y'all. And I'm going to give them a 5. So now they have their 28. Is Mother's Day coming up? I feel like it is. Okay, so those 2 are done. Alright, y'all. We're cutting it close, but we are making it. Let's see if we have enough. Should be 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I think I have just enough for each. Okay, so Mom's B-Day had 6, so should be 3, so should be 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Literally perfect. And then let's do Dad's B-Day. I had 3 left over, so 6. 1, 2, 3. 9. Perfect. Wonderful. And then we just need, oh my gosh, I have a 5. A. Oh, it worked out, y'all. It worked out. Okay. So Valentine's. Valentine's gets $5. Here is Valentine's. There we go. We did it. We made it. All right. So the rest of this money will actually be going towards the rest of my sinking funds. And we did it, y'all. Woo! We made it work. Okay, this is why I am committed to, I said, I do not need to go to the bank and get change and get 1s and do all of that fun stuff. I should have enough 1s to play around with this and make this work to not have to keep getting 1s. So next month we'll see if we can still make that work. But so far so good. So we will finish filling up the rest of our sinking funds, and then we will be done for the month of April. So thanks for watching. Take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.